I can't believe this hasn't been a feature already, but now we can factor in working hours on scheduling pages. What this means is when an individual's actually go into your scheduling page and book in a meeting, not only will HubSpot factor in your time zone, but it will also actually factor in your working hours. Now, this proves most powerful when you are doing things like a round robin or a group booking, where you are factoring in numerous different individuals who may have different time zones and therefore different working hours. So it's no longer going to be a conflict between trying to manage between UK hours and international hours, as an example, because HubSpot would take all of this into consideration when the visitor goes to book their meeting. Crazy, right? How this feature didn't actually exist to date, but now it does. So a few key things just to point out when you go through the process of rolling this out. Firstly, this is already live in your portal, so there's no betas you need to opt into. All you need to do is go to the users themselves and ensure that you set both their working hours and the time zones. And once you've done this, against each of the actual scheduling pages, so your meeting links themselves, we have this toggle switch, which simply by enabling this will then ensure that when an individual goes to book a meeting, it will factor in both your time zone and your working hours to ensure we no longer have to get rearranged meetings because they're booked outside of our working hours.